Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your WhatsApp account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. Alright, so first of all, here I'm going to send a message to one of my account. So here you can see that after sending a message, it is showing this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. So actually, I have a solution, and that is normally you have to click on this request a review. And here you have to write something in details. You can use ChatGPT to write your problem, and after 24 hours, it can be solved easily, very easily. Actually, it worked for me. So here you can type here, I am using my own WhatsApp number, but I am getting blocked or banned every time. And after then, just normally you have to click on the submit button. So if you submit it, it will take up to 24 hours to fix it, and after then you can easily use your WhatsApp account. And one last thing to mention, and that is make sure that you aren't using any virtual number that you have purchased from online or somewhere else. Make sure that you are using your own phone number or own SIM number. Sometimes WhatsApp detects those virtual phone numbers as spammers and they block these numbers. So make sure that you are using your own phone number and you are buying a phone number from a trusted source. So that's all about today's video. After 24 hours, it will be fixed definitely. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.